Hello everyone, I am Rishabdeep Sonkar. So for today's show's Walk the Talk, we have our guest and my colleague Angad Singh Virdi.
How are you?
I'm very well. So for the topic for today is should death penalty should be abolished? Okay, so moving on to the question,
Yes.
Angadji. My first question is: do you believe any human justice system is absolutely perfect and incapable of error?
I don't think so that any human justice system in the entire world is absolutely capable of telling or implementing a thing like death penalty because it violates a lot of things. Even if the person is not innocent or innocent, this shouldn't be the penalty one should face for his entire life because if someone is getting this penalty, it's automatically taking his life away. Like a lot of times, what happens is that anybody who's got a death penalty later on feels that this shouldn't happen, and when it happens, all the evidence goes against him, and he is proven not guilty. So a lot of times, death penalty goes all the way around.
So very well answered, Mr. Angad. So moving on to our next question: do you think the government should have the power to take citizens' life even as a punishment?
Well, that's a huge statement. I don't think so. Any government in the entire world should have this kind of power to take someone's life because it automatically goes against the human rights and human rights violations which are there in the world. Even if there's a massive punishment needs to be given to that person, it can be jail without any kind of parole or without any kind of bail. But taking someone's life just out of a punishment or making an example is I don't feel that this is a correct way. Any government or any world, any country in the world should go ahead with.
Okay, so we will answer this one too. So next question is: if a murderer can be locked up for a life and never to harm society again, is death penalty really necessary?
Well, if a person who's committed a heinous crime like a murder or something like that on similar terms, I feel that rather than giving that person a death penalty, he should be jailed in forever because if if his life is taken away from him, he won't be able to go through the entire process of being in jail and doing whatever that's needed in the jail. Death penalty takes the life away instantly. People don't get to regret what they did. So I feel that death penalty should be abolished, and particularly in someone who's committed a murder, should be jailed for life without any kind of parole.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmed. So moving on to our last question of the day: uh, would you be surprised to learn that a death penalty case often costs taxpayers more than keeping the offender in prison for life?
So that's a very valid question, I feel, because for life, which means that a person goes into the jail and keeps on doing whatever he's doing outside, but inside in a regulated manner. Though he's getting his food, all three meals, he's getting a place to sleep, he's getting clothes, he's getting a lot of other things for free of cost. But I don't think so. Someone committing a heinous crime should get death penalty. It is very valid that it's quite a lot on the taxpayers and the government, but taking someone's life out of this world just because they have committed a heinous crime, um, I think that shouldn't happen. So I feel that death penalty should be abolished, and persons like committing heinous crime should be jailed for life. Yes, it will be a lot for the people, the taxpayers, the government, but I feel that this is necessary and this needs to be implemented in the in the entire world. And carrying forward this entire conversation, I would like to add a few more things.
Yes, sir.
Uh, we can regulate a lot of things in the jail for people committing heinous crime. we don't have to specifically give them all three meals, rooms, and clothes. They can be confined into a very small space for a particular period of time, and then they can be taken out and then put in a regular cell, and then they can be shifted back and forth from those places. So all this this particular question should be
Definitely be evolution.
yeah. So this particular question that you asked regarding the taxpayers getting a lot of bills because of people jailed for life, I feel this should be the death penalty should be abolished, and people should be jailed for life without any kind of parole.
So guys, that's it for the day. Thank you for Angar Singh Birdi for coming us and joining us today.